What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a rainy day off with me here. We're going to check out this thrift store, but I just got here and it is drenching rain. As you can see, it's all over my car here. I'm a former eBay reseller, now just thrifting for my own personal needs and wants. And I thought, well, had some time to kill, and I know that thrift stores like this are all over the state of Ohio, but Mission Thrift specifically is a really cool place, ministry based. I'm not 100% sure where the money goes, but I'm sure there would be somebody in here to tell us, or at least have some signs and whatnot. But it's thrifting with a purpose, which is kind of far down there. This truck is going to block it. Thrifting with a purpose. But we'll go in here and check it out, do some thrifting, and see if we can find anything. If not, well, that happens from time to time, but right now I'm going to try to get across the parking lot and not get too soaked. Follow me. Yep, it is cold rain. Very, very cold rain. So my favorite thing to hit up first is the hats.
And you found one here that you like, that you want? Okay, bring it over. Let's see.
Old Cavs hat. As I was saying, my favorite thing to hit up first is the hats usually, because I'm a hat collector. I like to wear hats. But I'm not seeing anything today that really interests me too much. This Napa Racing Dad hat's kind of cool. What they got on the price on it? $1.50. So I might come back to that if it's still here by the time I'm ready to go. Got the library area, which is cool. Different types of books. Good news for the modern man. What is the good news? We got the Bibles. Tons of cookbooks. I have a ton of books in my house right now that I haven't read yet. So before I go and do that, stockpile on more books, I need to hit up my shelf. DVDs. Tell me, does anybody watch DVD videos anymore? I think with streaming platforms, I've gotten rid of all of my DVDs now. But if you still watch DVDs, let me know what kind you like to watch, genres and whatnot. And tell me how many you have in your collection still. What we got going on here? The name, Made Simple Self-Teaching Library. American history, physics, astronomy, spelling, economics. That's pretty cool. Got a price, or is it all just hardback prices? What did that say for hardback prices? $1 each. Oh, that's not too bad. That's pretty cool. If I knew how to play piano, but I don't, but still pretty cool. 55 bucks. That's a pretty good deal. As long as it's in tune, but I don't know if it's in tune or not. Any piano players out there watching? How'd that sound? Oh, hey you guys, I just came across some more hats. I'm not sure what page means. What do we got going here? Some company. Old school Jeff Gordon hat. That's kind of cool. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that I am a NASCAR guy. Columbus Equipment Company. Another company hat. 48. The only thing I don't like is I don't like these Velcro backs, so yeah, that's not going to do it for me there. And of course, all of the NASCAR hats here have the strap back so far, except for that Napa hat. What does this one say? It's a pretty cool hat in general. Snapback, I'm assuming. Yep. Lamb's Oriental Cuisine. Is that a snapback hat? It is. That is great. Oh, another snapback. That's cool. Definitely going to pick that one up. All right, you guys, I'm back in the car running across the parking lot. We made it out soaked, but we got a hat. I had a bag here, keep it protected. As you saw, I had more hats in my hand. I was going to get that tan Napa racing hat as well as that Lamb's Oriental Cuisine hat, just because I'm a food guy, restaurant career guy for the most part, majority of my life. But after inspecting it more, it was a little dirty on the inside, and I did not want to have to deal with that, clean it up for my own personal use. And the dad hat, or the tan hat, was a little too dad hat, I should say, for my taste. So I just went with this really cool ESAB racing hat, which I like anything kind of like racing type of hats, or just, you know, any type of really cool collector hat. And to me, this was like a collector type of thing. I would wear this out. It's a little, see here, a little yellow, as you can see on the inside, but it's in pretty, like, almost perfect condition. There's a few frays inside the hat, some loose threads, but I mean, that's going to happen. But it's a snapback hat. It's just very mustard colored, but that's all right. I'll find something to wear with it. The tag did say, $5, but it was half off. Pink tags were half off today, so that was a bonus. So I did get a cool little hat. I almost forgot to mention what they actually use their money for. And I was going to ask, but then I saw these cool little information flyers at the front desk where you check out. So you got all sorts of information here. Pause the video if you need to. Then on the back, if you want to donate and you're coming this way, you can totally schedule pickups, it looks like. You can do drop-offs, but again, if you're somewhere far away, I imagine if you're not in the Ohio area, Northeast Ohio area, Millersburg and whatnot, you're going to want to go ahead and just find out what your local missions are doing and see how you can help. Shop, donate, volunteer. Pretty awesome. Now, for the next leg of the trip, nope, we're not going to an antique store today or any type of vintage place. We got puppies. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Whoa, you guys are friendly. Hey, you guys are nibbling. How we doing? Hi, buddy. Hold on, I'm making my round. I want to show everybody. Look at these cute guys. Oh. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you like a belly rub? Oh. Hi, buddy. Hi there, big guy. Or girl. Hello. Hi, guys. Oh, nibblies. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you're all so cute. Can't pick just one, buddy. Gotta show them all. Gotta show them all. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. A little thrift and a little surprise puppies. A little cuteness overload for a minute there. We will catch you guys on the next one, and make sure you like, comment, and please consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. Appreciate you guys.